Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix ensure text remain visible during web font load in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin write code snippet. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and scroll down on left side you see snippet and then you see all snippets, so click on it. Now on top you see add new, so click on it. Now add new snippet section open and scroll down, you can add title A, then you see function. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we paste code in function tab. Now scroll down, you see run snippet everywhere. Scroll up, you see activate, so click on it. Now you see snippet created and activated. Now on left side you see Elementor and then you see custom font, so open it. Now we are in custom font section. Now click on edit. Now edit font section open and scroll down, click on update. Now update done. And on left side you see Elementor and then you see tools, so click on it. Now scroll down, you see CSS, so click on regenerate CSS and then click on sync library and again click on update. Now settings saved and go to page speed inside. Now refresh the page. Now enter URL and then click on analyze. Now running analysis. Now scroll down, you see mobile performance score 90 and desktop performance score 98. So our issue is fixed. Now scroll down, you see again scroll. Now you see pass audit, so click on it. Now you see all text remain visible during web font load. So our issue is fixed. We are using Elementor WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.